everyone, welcome to 19 Russell Street here in Fort Erie. This is a legal duplex purchased actually by myself in the middle of March. My name is Hanish Nagrani. I'm an investment coach with Team Koukun Real Estate. If you are interested in working with us, please check the link below for a free beginner's guide to creating a legal basement apartment. Let's go check this one out. Okay, so behind us we have 1,200 square foot apartments. So both of them are 3-bedroom apartments. And when I first acquired this property back in March, there was actually tenants in both units. As a buyer, that can be a concerning factor, but I bought the property assuming the tenants, at that time the market was pretty hot. But going through the process, I knew that I had to get tenants out to do a full renovation, both upstairs and downstairs. That in itself was a long process, but I learned a lot along the way, and learning about how to negotiate with certain tenants and having those proper conversations. At the end of the day, people still need a place to live. So it is sometimes a sensitive subject, but it's not something to, shy yourself away from a certain investment. So while we're here, let's go inside and have a look at what I've done so far and the current process, as we still got a little bit of ways to go, but we have made a lot of progress in a short period of time. Yeah, so what really stuck out about this property itself is that obviously you've got 2 3-bedroom units, which are gonna allow you to have increased rents initially to start with. You have both of them that are above grade, which I absolutely love. The other thing too is you have separate hydrometers and separate gas lines. So it makes it very easy for tenants to pay the utilities, and it definitely keeps your costs down as well as for the owner of the property. In here we have the dining room / living room, and as you can see so far, we've already repainted, we've done the baseboards, we've done the flooring. There was a lot of work to do with these walls, making them smooth, but really the contractors came in and have done a really, really good job. Still some ways to go with some stuff. Over here in this corner, this is something I would love to talk about, is we have added in-suite laundry into this unit. I feel that that is a huge addition plus, especially for renters when they are looking for units. Having that in-suite laundry is beneficial. So we've done that on this unit. We've also done that upstairs. So let's carry on to the kitchen and go from there. So in the kitchen here, we've obviously taken out all the cabinets and we've roughed in some plumbing, for the in-suite laundry. Also, we're gonna be putting a dishwasher in here as well. So the plumber was breaking up some walls and whatnot. So this will need to be fixed up. We are getting the kitchen cabinets coming in soon, and we are going to build a vent that's gonna go throughout that hole for the stove. So that's kind of the process with the kitchen for the next little bit. It's gonna be nice that we have the dishwasher, which is a very big addition plus for renters as well. So that's gonna be in both units as well. Over here, we'll have a look at one of the first bedrooms. As you can see, we have a door on the floor here, which is gonna go and be the closet door in the back corner. Yeah, we just have a few more things to do in terms of the doors, painting the radiators. Let's have a look at the bathroom actually. While we're in this bathroom, we can see that we've redone the tiles. We removed the bathtub here completely. It was interesting, we actually had a 53-inch bathtub in here, and it's very rare to find a bathtub that size, so we decided to create a standing shower. We created the base here, we put the mosaic tiles, created a niche in this corner over here, which makes it look really nice. And yeah, we still have some things to do. We've got to put the toilet in, we got to put a vanity in, but we're making a lot of progress here. Here's another bedroom as well. This is the smallest bedroom of the 3. So some people may use this as an office space. And the last bedroom here, we have a closet in the back corner, a nice big window overlooking the backyard, and each room has its own radiator, so that's nice for heating. So this property we purchased back in March. We bought it for just under $600,000. Most of the other duplexes in the city were in the range of about 600 or maybe say 650. But this one appealed to me mainly because of the outside brick style and also the square footage. So in comparison for me, I felt that there was a lot of value to be had with this property. And especially getting it below what other duplexes were selling for, that I felt that this was a better property overall, especially once it was fully renovated. In terms of the renovation process, it also appealed to me because everything that I was really doing was mainly going to be cosmetic in terms of paint, baseboards, potentially new windows, bathroom stuff, kitchen. We weren't breaking any walls or we weren't doing anything strenuous, except a little bit of wiring and plumbing here and there, which wasn't too bad. I was budgeting in about the $70,000 to $90,000 range, and that's kind of right where we're falling, which is great for me, great for an investor when your numbers always align. Being that we do have 1,200 square foot per unit and they're 3 bedrooms, we're looking to rent them out at about 1,800 to 1,900 per unit. Obviously, as an investor, you want to push that as high as you can. But being really realistic in that 1,800 to 1,850 range is probably what we're going to rent it for. And then the other beneficial thing is, since the tenants are going to be paying for all the utilities, that does help out in terms of not paying for the hydro or the gas as the owner. So it's really going to help my cash flow numbers, and we're looking to probably cash flow more than $1,000 per month on this specific unit. So those things really made me feel like this was a great investment long term. And when you've got a big surplus like that, it gives you a little bit of room for error. If things don't go as planned, if I had a little bit more renovation budget or renovation that I had to perform, it would give me a little bit more freedom. And also if I didn't get the rental numbers that I was looking for. But all in all, everything seems to be checking out so far. Everything's going so well, and we'll see once we rent it out. So if you are interested in working on projects like these behind me or creating a legal basement apartment, please check the link below and sign up for getting the free guide to creating that legal basement apartment. You can contact our team and we'll be more than happy to work with you.